This is my 2017 Hustler Raptor SDX. It's been a great machine. The powder coat is peeling off the deck. It's still under warranty, so I could take it back and probably get a different deck, but whether it'd be any better or not, I don't know. And look at the way this paint is just peeling off here. But so I'm gonna try to fix this myself. I bought some of this paint off Amazon. It's way overpriced. I think I paid, well, after shipping and everything, it was like $40. But I tried some John Deere yellow and that one little spot, and it's not anywhere near a match. So I went ahead and bit the bullet and bought the good stuff. 747220 is the XL Industries part number. But so I'm gonna sand this down, prime it, see if I can't get it looking better. I'm using the Rust-Oleum flat gray primer. It says it bonds to plastic, wood, metal, and more. Okay, I've got this primed, taped off, ready for the color. I'm just waiting for it to dry. Okay, here goes. Okay, just light coats. Okay, it's been about 20 minutes. I'm going to put another coat on it. third coat on there. Okay, hopefully this will be the last coat. Okay, I think I've got it all covered pretty good. I think it took 5 light coats, and it's not perfect, but it looks a whole lot better than it did. And like Terrell from Terrell Fixes All says, we're not going to the moon, we're just going to mow grass. So it doesn't have to be perfect, but I think it looks a lot better. We'll just have to wait and see how it holds up. Okay, there it is, finished, all the tape off of it. It was a good match, but for $40 it ought to be. But I've got enough left over to where if I can get some flex forks for the front, I'll have enough to paint them, and maybe enough to do any minor touch-ups that I need to do in the future. But anyway, I'm happy with it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll talk to everybody later. Bye.